ADA has done massively well in 2021 bull run. In this video, we especially have examined what truly is Cardano, how at Cardano is a venture, and different other data connected with ADA, and the undertaking in an unobtrusive manner. We have likewise referenced about value estimate of ADA in 2021 till 2030. Or so they generally thought. Peruse more to generally basically find out, in a significant manner, what is Cardano in a genuinely huge manner. Cardano truly is a high-level blockchain network for in every practical sense, extremely decentralized applications, dApps, and truly brilliant agreements, or so they thought. Cardano's local, advanced cache really is known as ADA. It is prevalently called the Ethereum executioner, as it is a significant contender of the Ethereum blockchain. It generally has been made and intended for development to roll out an improvement. Who created Cardano in a sort of significant manner? Cardano by and large basically has been created and made by Information Result Hong Kong Organization, IOHK, which especially is driven by Charles Hoskinson, maker of BitShares and fellow benefactor of the Ethereum blockchain network. It most certainly has an open source codebase, which implies that the code can be seen by anybody all over the planet. At the point when was Cardano sent off in a very large manner. It was sent off in the year 2015 and especially was viewed as surprising as it utilized a proof-of-stake agreement component or model called Ouroboros, which essentially for the most part is being somewhat more generally utilized right now, or so they thought. This component accommodates an exchange approval framework that is energy productive and basically greater climate well disposed, not at all like Bitcoin's strong and energy consuming mining, which in a real sense, basically is very huge. Members of the organization explicitly are expected to secure in their coins on the blockchain as opposed to utilizing gigantic measures of power or energy to mine Cardano, to sort of become validators, as well as generally make new blocks for the organization. This convention of agreement explicitly by and large was sent off in July 2020 authoritatively, which prompted the exchange of the Cardano network from centralization to decentralization. In WOC 2021, Cardano expressed that it looks to utilize an arrangement comprising of a scope of updates for the headway of the savvy contract period, by zeroing in on especially a few ventures, truly like schooling, well-being, and farming, and then some, sort of in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Other than Cardano's especially white paper, the engineers Information Result HK explicitly really have moreover distributed 5 friend, looked into logical papers on the fundamental innovation of the blockchain, accessible for review by general society, which for the most part is very critical. Prior to examining about the cost expectation for ADA, essentially let us first certainly explicitly comprehend about Cardano's local token pretty basically more, which is very huge. Cardano really has plans for clients to stake ADA tokens for approving blocks. They are permitted to dispense their coins to full hubs or marking pool, which involves the expected information, as well as assets to especially run a hub for approval, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. Validators really are compensated with ADA tokens. Clients who have ADA tokens as a feature of their speculation portfolio can not just in every practical sense get in every way that really matters, truly capital additions from cost change on the lookout, yet in addition explicitly procure a genuinely recurring, automated revenue by marking their coins incredibly. The IOHK has fostered a full hub wallet, which permits clients to store their ADA tokens incredibly. It in a real sense is a progressive deterministic HD wallet, where clients can for the most part make a by and large beautiful endless arrangement of keys from a scorched seed. This is known as the Daedalus wallet recuperation state, which is very huge. The wallet looks to broaden its help coming soon for marking of Bitcoin, BTC and Ethereum, kind of in every practical sense, exemplary and so on, quantum genuinely safe marks, multi-signature exchanges to name a reasonably not very many. ADA value history. The Cardano ADA token was sent off on October 15, 2017 at the cost of $0.02593 United States dollars amazingly, which is very huge. The worth of the by and large token started expanding in the later piece of the year from December and arrived at its most memorable all-time new high on January 3, 2018 at $1.0797 United States dollars in a significant manner. It confronted a fall from there on and sank lower, keeping a negative market over time. The worth of the ADA especially token stayed consistent all during that time 2019, going from 4 cents United States dollars to 3 cents United States dollars, or so they thought. It confronted an increment from mid-2020 luckily for ADA in every way that really matters, token holders, which is genuinely critical. It continually rose and beat its past all-time high by WAC 2021 in a significant manner, or so they for the most part thought. The worth of the ADA Pretty token on May 16, 2021, was essentially detailed as its new all-time high, valued at $2.3091 United States dollars. After this, it in a real sense has fallen and recuperated a few times in a kind of enormous manner. The future for the token very stays flighty yet. It in every practical sense, generally is explicitly positioned as the number 5 sort of token based on market cap in conditions of market capitalization, which drives us to the end that the future could not in every practical sense be especially depressing for the token, all things considered. Really take a look at the ADA United States dollar specialized examination and in a real sense, choose whether to purchase, truly sell or explicitly hold ADA tokens in a for the most part significant manner, which is genuinely huge. According to ADA USDT specialized examination, ADA by and large is areas of strength for more often than not outline. According to ADA BTC specialized examination, ADA explicitly is a kind of truly impressive certainly purchase in a month-to-month and hourly time span, which is very critical in an extremely large manner. It is an upfront investment of 4 hours, 1 day and 1 week after week time period, or so they thought in opposition to prevalent thinking. Could ADA at any point reach $100 amazingly? For ADA to actually by and large reach 100 United States dollars, it essentially has to do substantially more than 80x from the extremely current cost, which certainly is very huge. Despite the fact that we can't basically make certain of what might sort of occur soon, nonetheless, we can say there is an exceptionally less possibilities of ADA arriving at 100 United States dollars in the following 5 years, which is very critical. For what reason is ADA so modest? ADA might appear to be modest, yet it sort of isn't. We ought to constantly especially take a gander at the market capitalization of a coin to decide if the coin truly is modest or not. ADA certainly truly is one of the truly top 10 costliest digital forms of money in a truly significant manner. Could Cardano at any point really make you a tycoon? Or so they generally thought. ADA can in every practical sense make you a tycoon. However, don't be sure, hopefully not by mistake, that ADA will one day cross BTC's value, in spite of prevalent thinking. The most ideal way to truly be a mogul by holding ADA is to basically purchase impressive size during the bear market and hang tight for the sort of next bull cycle, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. ADA last call. Would it be a good idea for you essentially put resources into Cardano, which truly is genuinely huge? The DeFi wave explicitly certainly is significant.